Audience means traffic. Traffic means revenue. Hey guys, I'm Marissa, and in today's video, you're going to learn how to make $5,000 working from home on YouTube. And specifically, we're going to talk about one viral video that I have on my channel that alone is bringing me well over $5,000. Just the beginning of this video. It's just now heating up. So in today's video, you're going to learn how you could do the same thing working from home, even if you have 0 subscribers or a small YouTube channel. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. And just wait a minute before you say, Marissa, I don't want to be a YouTuber. I don't want to show my face on camera. First off, I beg to differ, but if it really is a situation where you don't want to show your face on camera, be sure after this video to check out this video where I talk about how you can make $100 per day on YouTube without making videos and showing your face. So now that we got that out of the way, we can get back to these viral videos on YouTube. And the point of going viral on YouTube is it really only takes one video to carry all the weight for your YouTube channel and to bring you that audience. And what does audience mean? Audience means traffic. Traffic means revenue. Now, before we get into today's tips and tricks, please understand that none of this is going to work unless you have a specific topic related channel or a niche channel. You'll understand more about what I mean by topic related and niche when you see the examples in today's video. So there's no magical formula for making a video go viral, but if I had to take a scientific wild ass guess, this is what it would be from the observations I've had from my viral videos and from other viral videos from other YouTubers. All right, so the first tip I have for you guys is you want to win the click. Now, how do you do that? It boils down to 2 things, and that is your thumbnail and that is your title. Those 2 things together are very, very, very powerful. You want to have a thumbnail that is emotionally enticing, that is going to attract a viewer, that is, potentially a video that is on suggested traffic, and those are a little bit smaller, and you want to have a title on that thumbnail that is emotionally attracting, like, damn, I need to click that video right now. So what I tell people is the idea of the title is to say, okay, kind of like a newspaper, you read a title and you're like, yeah, I want to read that article. But a thumbnail title is like, yes, I need to read this article, or I need to watch this video, or else I'm going to miss out on some information. You want your viewers and audience to have that FOMO, or fear of not watching your content. So I go over thumbnails and thumbnail design and the whatever ideology or the theory behind thumbnails and more in this video. But essentially, some of the key things you want to make sure you have in your thumbnails is a close-up image of your face, big titles, no more than 3 to 5 words, and make sure that the branding of your thumbnails is in line with the overall branding of your channel. You don't want a thumbnail that's blue, green, and purple, but the branding of your channel, for example, is black and yellow. So make sure that all is really nice. Now, the second tip that I have for you guys is to give YouTube a good reason to make your video go viral. Now, what do I mean by this? In all my 2 years of being a YouTuber, I've boiled viral videos down to 3 things. They fall into one of these 3 categories. And the first one is, it is entertaining and trendy. Videos that are about trending topics right now going on in the news or that are super entertaining always win. And one of the perfect YouTubers I could give an example of is a girl named Lily Singh. She's also known as Superwoman on YouTube. She's got like 14 million subscribers. She's been on YouTube for 10 years, more than 10 years, but the point is her videos are hilarious. They combine trendy topics with comedy, and she basically does like mini films every single time she creates a video. And a couple tools that can help you look up trends is Google Trends and TubeBuddy. Both of these tools will give you an idea of what topics are trending now, and if that topic happens to fall within the niche of your channel, go ahead and make a video about it. The next category of viral video is emotionally triggering. So this is huge because here's the thing, this goes back to the good old saying of Maya Angelou, people will always remember how you make them feel. So if you have a video that is irresistible, people are going to click and they're going to remember the enjoyment they had of watching your video. So let me give you an example. This guy here, Mr. Beast, his videos are so bingeable. I try not to go to his channel because every time I go to his channel, I can't not watch at least 3 to 4 of his videos. If you take a look at his channel, he has titles and topics on there that are like, oh my God, like that oh my God trigger, I need to watch this video. Like, look at this one. Last to leave a pool of $20,000, keeps it. Surviving 24 hours on a deserted island. I opened a free car dealership. Like, what the hell? These topics are insane. So that is, another emotional trigger or an example of a trigger that'll make people want to click, and it'll also make your video go viral with the algorithm. All right, so the last category on why YouTube makes your videos go viral is it is super valuable. So this is my jam. All of the videos that I teach on my channel are valuable. I teach people a skill that I know how to do. So if you take a look back at my viral video, best work from home jobs in 2019, this video has gone viral for my channel because it is super helpful. I'm teaching people knowledge that I know. There is a huge demand for people that want to work from home and are interested in having that freedom of, losing the 9 to 5, going into the office. And so I saw an opportunity for that to make a video on that on my channel, which is about online marketing. And I made it better than the ones that exist. So I added different things like overlay text, B-roll. I made it interesting. The intro was super spicy. I had different scenes that I showed of me working from an Airbnb, a mountainside, and all those different types of things. So those elements together made it a viral video. I also made it relevant. So I put words in the title like best and also 2019, so people know that it is this year in 2019. And side note, I did show in the beginning that I'm making over $5,000, well actually over $6,000 just from this one video alone. That is from the Google AdSense that I've created from this video, so my channel is monetized with YouTube, but this is actually my least favorite way to make money on YouTube. So if you check out this video later, I give you 10 ideas on how to make $10,000 on YouTube every single month. All right, so the last tip that I have for you guys is to keep viewers on the platform. How do you do this? The main thing is after you win that click, what are you gonna do with people when they start to watch your video? You have to keep them interested in your video. So how do you do that? It's all about the retention within that first minute of the video. Let me tell you guys a metric to look for with your videos once you start to post videos. The sooner you can hit 75% retention within the first 60 seconds, viral. It's actually way harder to do that than people think, because if you look at the statistic in my video that is going viral, it's about 67, 68% at that 60-second mark. I have other videos I've made about how to retain watch time in the very beginning and how to do attention grabbing things in the beginning of your introduction. I'll leave those videos in the links in the description. I can tell you some things that you just don't do in the beginning of your videos. You don't talk about your life. You don't talk about any recent news of your life. You don't ask people to subscribe. You don't waste 30 seconds about telling people why you're qualified and what it is that you're doing on your channel. I realize that that stuff is important, but save that for the end of the video or the middle of the video. Alright guys, so I hope you guys got massive value from this video on how you could make $5,000 per month from home on YouTube. If you like this video, be sure to check out this video where I talk about how to get your first 10,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, going from 0 to 10,000. I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and join the family. Take care.